What is up, shifters? Welcome back to Shift 100, the only channel on the grid that tells it like it is. All right, let's get straight into it. The king is back. Kinda. Mercedes-AMG has finally confirmed the wagon is returning to the US, but hold your horses, it's not the E53. Yeah, let that sink in. The glorious, thunderous, window-shattering V8 Wompster wagon is dead. Finito. Instead, we are getting this, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG E53 Hybrid Wagon. And look, my first instinct was disappointment. A six-cylinder, a hybrid in the flagship AMG wagon? It feels wrong. But then I looked at the numbers, and holy smokes, this thing is not playing around. This isn't some weak sauce hybrid for fuel economy. This is a hybrid used as a weapon. Under the hood, you've got an AMG-tuned 3.0-liter inline-six turbo. That's a solid base, but then they strapped a permanent magnet synchronous electric motor to the rear, juiced by a chunky 28.6 kilowatt-hour battery. The result? Get this, standard horsepower is 577. That's already nuts. But engage race start, which is just AMG speak for launch control, and that figure rockets up to 604 horsepower. 604 in a station wagon. Even crazier is the torque. Because of that instant-on electric motor, you get a combined 553 pound-feet of twist. That's V8 territory. That is face-melting, organs-rearranging torque. Mercedes claims a 0 to 60 time of just 3.9 seconds. 3.9. This long roof family car is faster than a lot of dedicated sports cars from just a few years ago. That's absolutely insane performance. Now let's talk about the drivetrain, because power is nothing without control, right? This thing comes standard with the AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus system. That means it's fully variable all-wheel drive. It can be 100% rear-wheel drive, or it can send power to the front when you need the grip. This is the smart stuff. And to handle the agility, it also gets standard rear axle steering. That is a game changer, especially for a car this long. It'll make it feel shorter and more nimble in tight corners, but stable as a rock on high-speed sweeps. The suspension is the AMG ride control system with adaptive dampers, but here's a catch. It's on steel springs, not the full airbody setup. That likely means it's tuned for performance first, comfort second. This is a driver's wagon, not just a luxury cruiser. Okay, so what's the downside? The big, massive 5,000-pound elephant in the room, the weight. That 28.6 kilowatt-hour battery is not light. This wagon is going to be heavy. We're talking well over 5,000 pounds. And no matter how much tech you throw at it, rear steer, adaptive dampers, massive brakes, you cannot cheat physics. You will feel that mass in the corners. You will burn through tires and brakes faster. That's the trade-off for that instant electric power. And let's be real, the sound. An inline-six, even an AMG one, will never have the soul-stirring apocalyptic growl of the old 63 Series V8. It's a huge loss for the character of the car. But here's the plus side. It's still a wagon. It's the ultimate one-car solution. You can drop your kids at school in full electric silent mode. It's got a usable EV range, probably around 50 miles. And then on the way home, you can hit the canyons and unleash 604 horsepower. Inside, it's all new E-Class. You can get the optional Super Screen, which turns the entire dashboard into a glass panel. It's tech-heavy, with AMG-specific graphics and performance readouts. It's wrapped in Nappa leather, it's got the performance steering wheel, it's a proper AMG cockpit. So the question is, did AMG save the wagon, or did they compromise its soul? This is the new formula, folks. Hybrid power, insane tech, but also massive weight and no V8. It's a complex beast. This E53 has to do it all. It has to be the comfortable daily, the practical hauler, and the weekend missile, while carrying the heavy torch of the AMG wagon legacy. No pressure, right? It looks mean though. Those wider front fenders, the signature AMG grille, the quad exhaust, it definitely has presence. It's not the V8 monster we wanted, but it might just be the high-performance beast we need in 2026. This is the future, like it or not. By the way, if you're soaking up this granular detail, you're in the right place. We live for this stuff. Do me a solid and smash that subscribe button for Shift 100. We're the only crew that goes this deep on the hardware. Now, back to the car. Let's dig deeper into that tech integration. The rear axle steering, for example, isn't just a gimmick. At low speeds, it turns the rear wheels opposite to the front, effectively shortening the wheelbase. This wagon is going to have a turning circle of a compact car. U-turns, tight parking garages, no sweat. But at high speeds, over 60 miles per hour, the rear wheels turn with the front. This crabbing effect creates insane stability during high-speed lane changes. It makes the car feel planted, secure, like it's bolted to the road. This is crucial when you have this much power and weight. The brakes are, of course, massive. They need to be. We're talking 6 piston calibers up front, clamping down on huge discs. This wagon is going to stop. The 9-speed automatic transmission is also a key piece. It's not a dual clutch, but AMG's Speed Shift MCT, which uses a wet clutch pack instead of a torque converter for lightning-fast, aggressive shifts, especially in the race start mode. This is the new definition of a super wagon. It's not just brute force like the old V8s. It's a calculated, tech-forward assault vehicle. It's smarter, sharper, and honestly, probably faster in the real world thanks to that instant electric torque fill. There's no turbo lag. You touch the throttle and 553 pound-feet of torque just happen instantly. That is an addiction I am ready to have. This is the new era. So there it is, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG E53 Hybrid Wagon. It's the end of an era, but it's also the beginning of a terrifyingly fast new one. Is it a true successor or just a heavy, complicated placeholder? We won't know until we get behind the wheel and send it, and you know we will. That's why you need to be subscribed to Shift 100. We don't just review cars, we push them to their absolute breaking point. You want the real, unfiltered truth about the drive? You hit that button. Stay fast, family.